Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. In today's video, we will discuss 20 most important GK questions and answers. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon and give this video a like. So without any further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Smallest continent is? The correct answer is option C, Australia. Question number 2. Which of the following is the deepest lake in the world? The correct answer is option A, Baikal. Question number 3. How many islands of India are located in the Bay of Bengal? The correct answer is option B, 204. Question number 4. The Great Wall of China was built by? The correct answer is option B, Qin Shi Huang. Question number 5. Which of the following is known as the land of morning calm? The correct answer is option C, South Korea. Question number 6. Blue Book is the official report of? The correct answer is option A, British government. Question number 7. The river Godavari originates in the state of? The correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Question number 8. In which country did the first industrial revolution take place? The correct answer is option D, Great Britain. Question number 9. The Indian Institute of Science is located at? The correct answer is option D, Bengaluru. Question number 10. Shura is the name of the Parliament of? The correct answer is option C, Afghanistan. Question number 11. Which device is generally used to check multiple choice question? The correct answer is option A, OMR. Question number 12. White is the national color of which country? The correct answer is option B, Italy. Question number 13. Flight recorder is technically called? The correct answer is option D, black box. Question number 14. The National Library of India is located in? The correct answer is option A, Kolkata. Question number 15. In cricket, a run taken when the ball passes the batsman without touching bat or body is called? The correct answer is option C, by. Question number 16. Who was the first Indian judge in the International Court of Justice? The correct answer is option A, Dr. Najendra Singh. Question number 17. Gol Gumbaz, the largest dome in India, is located in which state? The correct answer is option B, Karnataka. Question number 18. National Consumer Rights Day is observed in India on? The correct answer is option A, 24th September. Question number 19. Yuan is the currency of? The correct answer is option C, China. Question number 20. Which one of the following is a surface-to-air missile? Please comment your answer and subscribe to the channel for latest videos. Thank you for watching.